Good morning guys, Praful here. Welcome back. Today is 17th of August. Today is Tuesday and the premiums have pretty much crashed on both the call as well as the put side. And so there is nothing much left and I'm not very interested in playing today again because it's kind of out of my comfort zone because the volatility is so high and the premiums are not giving any sort of comfort to me. And the algo is running quite okay, so it has already captured like more than 30 points, and I'll come up with a separate video on the algo itself, but as of now just algo is doing quite okay, almost 35 points capture kar liya hai. Keep you guys posted if at all I take any positions because I'm not pretty interested in taking the positions today. All right, I totally forgot that today is equivalent to a Wednesday because tomorrow is the expiry for us. So that's why I decided to hop in and take the positions. So I think it's a good thing, like because like I've taken the position after this initial madness, and yeah, like I've kept my quantity still light because the comfort factor is still not there. But at the same time, I don't want to miss the Wednesday ka DK. So I'm playing with just around 32, 35 lakhs capital, and we are already up by more than a point, close to a point. Okay, it's fluctuating between a point and a bit more than that. And the algo, we have already captured more than 52 53 points. So console दिखाऊं तो yeah, we are hovering around 50 points, and the funds used here is around 3.2. So we have already made more than 1.8, 1.8%. So the thing is, what will be the adjustment points? The adjustment points is I won't be doing anything until the day's high gets taken out. Okay, so I'm not seeing a good threat towards the call side until the day's high is clearly taken out. But if at all that happens, then most probably I'll have to shift everything to 16,400 because at one point these calls will start to expand at a very rapid rate. So I'll keep you guys posted. As of now, like I've got some other things to do now, so won't be able to give you frequent updates, but anyways, I'll keep you guys posted. Okay, so into this up move again, we are testing the day's high, and if at all we break out from the day's high, then again it's gonna be probably a bit disastrous. So I have closed my positions with around 13k profits. 13k translates to somewhere around 4.5 points, not 4.5 points, slightly above 4 points. Two reasons to close this position. The first thing is, yes, once the call starts spiking, especially they are just around 70 points away, and I don't want to take any additional put side risk by bringing the put side closer because I was already at around 16,450 levels. So I know these options will decay a lot by the end of the day, but not very interested to play this because the kind of moves, look at this, the volatility is insane because the kind of premiums that we have and the kind of movements that we are seeing, it's 520 to 590, 590 to 530, 530 to again 590, like 60 70 points is, it's just like moving left and right. So that's why like I've closed my positions. I took a Bank Nifty classic calendar at 35,500 and 36,200. I think I missed a lot of initial decay in this Bank Nifty calendar because I would have made much more if I had taken this position a bit early. But yes, it was my bad. I totally forgot that this Thursday is a holiday and tomorrow will be the expiry. So today will ideally be behaving like a Wednesday. Okay, for those who guys don't know how the classic calendar looks, it looks something like this. So basically I took this classic calendar just some time back. 10:33 को ही लिया. अगर मैं थोड़ा जल्दी लेता तो I would have gotten a better exit point. And anyways, like I have to cancel this stop loss order. Good that I cancelled this. Yeah. Anyways, so this is what the classic calendar. This is how the classic calendar looks. Even in between, I'll be getting around 3%. And if we go to the edges, like I'll be making somewhere around 6%. And the probability of profit is 80%, and the break evens are somewhere between 35,360 and 36,400. So that translates to these levels on the chart. 36,400 is here, and 35,300 is somewhere here. 35,300 is somewhere here, yes. So I'll get this range. Okay, the range is pretty decent considering the fact that Bank Nifty has been pretty mum. So the thing is, unless we hit the exact spot, मतलब यहाँ पे जो दिख रहा है, whatever the short legs are, that is 35,500 and 36,200, जब तक market उस side को test नहीं करता, I don't think we have anything to do. But if at all we want to take some additional credit, maybe 36,000 breach होते ही I can take some additional put side credit, or if 35,600 is breached, then I'll take some additional call side credit. So that's how I'll be going forward. And as of now, I think we might get stopped out here. Let's see. Stop out हो सकता है because we are again heading back, heading lower. Correct. अगर ये शायद ये point अगर breach हो जाता है तो most probably the system will throw us out. Let's see. Just when Bank Nifty was breaching the day's low, my first straddle got closed. Oh, वहाँ पे कहाँ पे है वो? I think I have to show you the log file. So at this point, our straddle का SL limit has reached. Spot पे मतलब जो वो reach हो गया, उस point पे we go through all these things. Order placement function, order placed successfully, मतलब हर एक का order ID देता है, and we get all the things from zero दा. उसके बाद P order complete, squaring up hedges, order placement function, सब everything. Like we make sure that everything is intact. Time is 1:46. We absolutely had a roller coaster ride, especially in Nifty. मतलब क्या भाई volatility, like we made a point more than 0.5% move almost 5 times today. From 528 to 590, it's a 70 points. Again 60 points, again 60 points, and from 586 to almost 497, another 90 points, another 50 points, another 50 points, and another 90 points now. So the volatility is just through the roof, and it's good that we came out early. I mean, like, yes, overall from a close to close basis आपको लगता है कि हाँ भाई मतलब 650 and 400 का जो triangle था काफी अच्छा DK दे दिया, right? It almost gave 10 points DK. 10 points, हाँ, yeah, like when I closed it at almost 35 rupees, right? 35 पे मैंने close किया था, and the same triangle is now trading at 25, so 10 points DK दे दिया. But will you be able to capture that full 10 point DK is the question. क्योंकि इस point पे, at this point, at the bottom, the same 16,400 put option would be trading at somewhere around 27. That itself is trading at 27. So of course, like, you'll make some adjustments, right? उस point of time पे loss book कर दे. It's impossible to capture like every point of DK that the market has to offer you guys. And I've been saying this from quite some time now, कि it's impossible to capture whatever it is. Like, the only way you can capture each and every point of DK is भाई एक triangle बनाओ और भगवान भरोसे छोड़ दो. Yes, 95% of the time that approach will work, but the remaining 5% of the time when the market trends in a particular direction, you'll get absolutely smashed. ठीक है? So that's why any given day I'll miss some DK from the markets, no problem, but my goal is risk management. ठीक है? And coming to the algo is again doing quite well. ठीक है? जैसे इस point पे, just a minute, जैसे इस पॉइंट पे मेरे को एग्जिट जो दे दिया, उसके बाद सडनली इट ऑटोमेटिकली स्विच टू द डिफरेंट स्ट्राइक, एंड नाउ वी आर ऑलमोस्ट अप बाय 2.5%. द फंड्स यूज्ड इज अराउंड 3.2 lakhs, and we are almost up by 2.5%. At one point we even touched 9k something, 3% से भी ऊपर गए थे, but क्या, like, the fluctuations will be there, and if at all we spend some time here, another 1 hour, अगर इधर time spend कर लेते हैं, then most probably this should hit 10k today. So that way the algo has been really good. I mean, it's a good day for algo. I won't say that like मेरा algo काम किया ये वो. It's a good day for the algo. So yeah, I think 8,600 minimum तो lock हो जाता है. So 8.6k here and around 13k here. यहाँ पे 1k extra profit में चल रहा है. That 1k is from the calendar, so I won't count that. So 13k from the Nifty account and 8 point something from Bank Nifty account. So overall around 21 plus k for the day. And yeah, I think that's the end of my trading day, guys. Like if at all there is anything that needs to be updated before the market close, I'll give you guys an update. Else, this will be the end of it. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys had a good trading day. And kal expiry hai. Let's try to make some money tomorrow.